Hey everyone, it's Claudette. Welcome back to the Green Farm channel. I have another fall / Thanksgiving theme project, and it is this cute little box right here, and it is using the sweater weather Anya. This was a collab with Simon Says Stamps from last year. I believe it's last year's September. Of course, this is not available as well because it was a September stamp set, but I'm using the fall stamps I have. Once again, if there's a digital or any fall themed stamps in the store, I will link them down below because you can use them on this project as well. I am using the same paper that I used from last week because it's just so pretty. It is a digital paper. I will try and remember to link it down below. I have to look for who is the creator of this and then put that link if they're still selling it. But yeah, I really love this paper, and I'm going to use this one, same family or same package, for my next project. And I have in here a little Czech trail mix, and this one is the churro trail mix. Really, it just tastes like cinnamon toast, but I made a Chex one. And it's really good, but it's really also sweet. But I like to give these little gifts during the holidays. If you watched my last video, it was like a little box card. I have 2 of them, but it was last week's video, which is a fall Thanksgiving theme. And I like to give those, you know, it was like a card. So that was good for your tablescape, like if you were doing like a place card for your guests. This one could just be sitting on there next to the place card, or it can be the place card, put the name right here, however you like to do it. I just thought this was a really cool project, and I wanted to share with you this one today. So I am using, once again, the sweater weather stamp set, September stamp set. And I colored her. She doesn't really, well, she might match just a little, but it's okay. That's what I'm going to use. All the links for, or all the measurements will be down below if you missed it, so don't worry about trying to write it down. It will be in the description box. Let's go ahead and get started. We are going to score. This paper is 10 3/4 by 6. So we are going to start with the scoring of the 10 3/4 side, and then it will be 1/2 inch, and then it will be 4 3/4, 6 and 10 1/4, and then you're going to turn this around, and it will be 1 1/4 on both sides. So then that 1 1/4, and then this would be 4 3/4. And when I say 1 1/4 on both sides, you could do 1 1/4 and then turn it over 1 1/4. So, okay, that's it for scoring. So I'm using super thick cardstock. This is from Michaels. It's, I think, 110. So this is really, really thick. I wasn't able to get their colorful one because they only had the pinks available. I'm gonna fold this one outside because it's gonna be like this on the box. I should have folded this one this way as well. It's so thick, guys. All right, let's fold this. So we are going to make our cuts. So on one side, where's my scissors? Okay, we are going to, just on one side, we are going to cut this 1/2 inch side off, and then we're gonna, ooh, do I miter this one? Nope, no mitering. Just go ahead and cut it off. No mitering on this cut. Okay. So once that's gone, we are going to cut these tabs, and this one you can miter. Man, these this cardstock's super, super thick. So I'm going to just miter and then cut up. Alright. Okay, now before we glue this all together, let's glue these. You probably won't have as much problem as I because this is so thick. Alright, so I'm using red line tape. And then, okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and stick this. Okay, now before I glue this, I want to use my pattern paper. So this one measures for this base, because I'm doing it down below the fold. This one measures 3 1/4 by 3 1/2. So you cut that twice on pattern paper. Now you can use one whole pattern paper like I normally do, but I just wanted to do this way. That makes sense. And then this one measures 1 inch by 3 1/2, and you're going to put those right there. Okay, so let's get started. I think I like this paper. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but I'm using this long piece as the front and not the shorter one. I just think it looks super cute. So okay. Okay, so now, which is the front? This is going to be the front. So this is where we put our tape. See how quick and easy this project is? I just love when it's super easy, especially if you're going to make a whole bunch of these to give away. I mean, if you're only going to do one, then I would say, you know, really put a lot of effort and details into it. But when you make things, you know, you need to produce a lot. You want to make sure that it's quick and simple, where it still shows how cute your project is, without having to do so much detail, because just because your project is simple doesn't always necessarily mean it's not really great looking. Sometimes I find that people just do way too much and they should stop. But that's just me. I am a very simple crafter, if you haven't noticed already. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the red line tape. And I'm putting 2. You might, if you're using regular cardstock, you might not need to do 2, but I am, like I said, I am using really, really super thick paper. And I want to say for this one, I only did 1, so it was coming off. All right, let's Let's go with the next one. And just take your time when you're gluing them together because you want them to be nice and even. There you go. So cute. Alrighty. Let me clean up. Okay, and then this is the front. Alright, then we could stick our little Anya. Oh, I need to get the little pumpkin. So what I do is I try and color a whole bunch of these so that when it's project time, I will have everything I need already colored and cut out. Because I really hate being unprepared, which I sort of was by not having this ready. So I'm going to do that, like that, yeah. And then I'm going to use my beloved foam sheet to pop up my image. I hope I was in frame. I wasn't even looking to see if I was in frame this whole time. If not, I am really, really sorry. Okay. Alright, I'm going to stick that on, these two on, and I'm going to use glue. And there you have it. I didn't pack up my treats, but there you go. Super quick and easy project for your holiday, super quick and easy project for your holiday gift giving. I really love projects like this, and I hope that they help you guys out for your gift giving season. So leave me a comment in the section down below if you guys enjoy these videos. If you do, we really appreciate it if you share them with your friends, your crafty friends. And I hope these were helpful to you. I really do enjoy making them. It does take a while to figure out what are the easiest and simple or quick, easiest and fastest projects to make, and that you could reproduce them over and over with because it's so easy and quick. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Everything will be in the link description. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great week. Bye.